I would like to show you spectrum analysis on a modern oscilloscope. For this reason, I connected an antenna to channel 1 of this oscilloscope, and we will have a look together to see what is going on this antenna, what the antenna receives, and especially how the spectrum of this signal looks like. But let's start from zero. I will preset the oscilloscope first, and we do the setup together. So first thing that we should do is to define the input channel itself. The antenna needs a 50 ohm input, so I select 50 ohms here, and the scale we should set to a relatively sensitive scale, so 2 millivolts per division is a good selection. Okay, we see a noise signal here coming from the antenna. Then let's switch the horizontal time per division to a time scale of about 5 microseconds per division. Then we are here in a good range. Okay, so this is set up. Then we see a lot of noise. Now it would be interesting to see what is going on here regarding the spectrum. So we can select FFT here and click on the signal to get the spectrum or the FFT of this signal. What we see here already, we have here the 800 megahertz, 800, 900 megahertz range. So we may see a GSM signal here, maybe LTE here, and then around 2.4 gigahertz, where the ISM band is located, we see from time to time a signal coming up. To get a better, let's say, display of short signals, we should select here in the settings a longer persistence to keep the signal on the screen for a specific time. Let's set it from only 50 milliseconds to 1 second here. Okay, so now we have 1 second of persistence. Now we can define that we only want to see the ISM band here. So if I go on the FFT setup here, we can define the start and the stop frequency of our display. Let's put the start frequency to 2.39 gigahertz. 2.39 gigahertz, and the stop frequency to 2.49 gigahertz. Okay, let's see what we get. So we see here from time to time a wireless LAN signal coming up. It's more wideband, and we also see from time to time some small band signals coming up. This is Bluetooth coming from my mobile, which is located in the same room. What I can do now is to restart Bluetooth on my mobile, and we see immediately a lot of spikes coming up. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching.